Okay. And now we go upstairs. Okay, hopefully this doesn't look like shit. There's the big guy. Oh, hello. Hey, bud. Like he misses me. See, this is what he does. He likes to lie down because he knows I'm gonna pet his ass. Pino. Pino. Oh. Oh. I'm streaming, by the way. I have to eat some Temptations. That's my dare right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Here, bust out the Temptations.
Bust them out.
Yeah. Oh shit, boys, look.
There it is.
There it fucking is. Yo, we gotta install this, and then maybe Nicro's tech issues will be no longer, but I don't know, that's asking for a lot. Anyway, here's the Temptations.
Oh.
Okay. How many do you think I should have?
Well, I'm just trying to think of how many we limit Pinu to have.
I usually don't give him any more than 5 because he's getting kind of fucking fat. Look at him.
Depends. Sometimes if he eats too much food and then the treats, it comes right back out of him.
Oh, you got some Futurama going on?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, yo boys, check out our Sonic magnets. These are actually Trav's, I think, right? Wait, whose are these?
No, they were mine.
Oh, they were yours?
Yeah.
Oh, Trav would always just fuck with them though.
Yeah, exactly.
And he'd write some weird subliminal messages with these, and that's why we kicked him out. Alright.
Alright.
So, here.
I think Pinu wants one.
Here, I'll give him, I'll feed Pinu first, and then I'll feed myself.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Selfless man.
Yes, of course. I like to give him a little fucking tease. Alright, my turn.
Your turn.
My turn. Oh wait, actually I can just pick that out right there.
I think maybe 3 is good for you.
3? Wait, I think here, we'll test 1 first. Okay? Hey, look at this motherfucker. He's trying to get all of my shit. Look at him. Hey, get out of here. That's my temptation. All right, here we go. Ready? Hey, look at him. You won't get off my shit. Ew, I got a mosquito on me. Ow, get your paws off me. Ow.
They're actually not that bad, eh?
That's not bad. Okay, give me another. Okay, the aftertaste is actually kind of fucked. I don't know, it's a little weird. Okay.
Okay, and then Pinu can eat one out of your mouth.
Okay. Wait. That is weird. Like, it just tastes like really terrible beef jerky.
Oh yeah, like dried up, crumbly beef jerky.
Like, it tastes like some fucking, like, it tastes like some plants got, like, blended together mixed in with, like, beef jerky. It's just shit. One more.
Okay. You gotta try one of the other ones.
What, the wet shit?
No, not the wet shit. These ones, they're good for your teeth. Cat bites. Look at that.
Cat
Support
bites.
healthy
Wait,
teeth and
is there a
gums.
nice little flavor to them or what?
Yeah, look at that. There's like some pink stuff in there.
Dude,
Clean
that's
your-
like a fucking, like, Count Dracula cereal or some shit.
Pinu have one with you. Make it a little more chewy.
Dude, that aftertaste is fucking shit of those temptations. How are you tempted? How is Pinu tempted to eat that bullshit? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ready?
It's a little harder, eh? New gamer gummies.
Oh my god. Is there any fucking Kool-Aid damn in here? Fuck.
Wash it down with some ranch.
Okay, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Thanks, bro.
No problem.
Fuck. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna be right back. That was fucking nasty. All right. Well, we can holy fuck, that was disgusting, boys. All right. So, eat cat food. Get the fuck out of here. Dude, I still got some of it like stuck in my teeth. That was so fucking gross. Holy shit. Ugh. Thanks, bro.